I'm going to show you how to simplify a web page and create a PDF and send that PDF to the books icon on an iPad. So this particular website works really well. It's Kids National Geographic, and there's a lot of really cool information about animals especially. So the reason that I can minimize or simplify this website is because this little a, big A is there. If it's not there, then that particular website this won't work with. But I'm going to tap on it, and you're going to see Show Reader View. That's what you want. So now you can see that all the ads are gone. Anything extraneous is eliminated. Just the facts, couple of pictures. So from here, a student will hit the share button, and they're going to find books. There's books. And it's going to open up for them. And there you have this nice simplified article about frogs. So a student can have this text read to them using the reader tool that's on this website. You can find out how to do that if you don't know already. Hit speak.
Red-eyed tree frog being.
So that's extremely helpful. You can also do things like highlight. Whoops. You'd have to tap on the picture to get your markup tools. So you can highlight, you can draw, you can write. So here's the highlight tool. You're going to tap on it, or the markup tool, excuse me. And you'll see down below that you have lots of options. You've got a pen, different kind of pen, you've got an eraser, you've got a highlighter. Let's start with a highlighter. I'm going to tap on it, and you can see that there's different opacity to it, also different thicknesses of the highlighter. So you can make some choices there. And of course, you've got your colors. So in this case, I'm going to highlight this section right here. That's a pretty thick line. I think I'm going to change that. That looks more appropriate. So highlighter, that's great. You can also use a marker if the teacher asked you to highlight or circle words you didn't know. You could do that. You can also type onto the document. So here's a plus sign. You're going to add a text box. It always shows up in the middle, so you're going to drag it to where you want it, and you can make it bigger. Tap on it, and you can tap edit, and then it brings up a keyboard. So type here. So there's your text box. You can move it around if you'd like. So your activity is finished, and you want to turn it in. So you're going to go back to this arrow here and go back to your library. You're going to see 3 dots under here. This will give you choices on what to do with that PDF. In this case, I'm going to share the PDF, and I'm going to figure out what I want to do with it. I could airdrop it if a teacher was close by. I could put it in my drive and then share it with the teacher. Or you could send it in an email message. Lots of options. And it is now an accessible PDF from the internet.